Kadom the nanglitum. Politician. Penang antum ning dog de politician. Even I too don't like politician. Nimata ning dog de. Athe penang an politician leader tum munit Phan ki pasung kam si claim to wrong. And many of the politicians become corrupt. Corruption kam si claim to wrong. Also some politician plays with people's emotion. That's why I don't like politician. But there's one leader that I love. Inut leader Aning Chingsam pigduk. Alang kiduk ki plang thakte. Also he respect every religion. Alang kadokave adhurom phanta respect man pi. Because he really know India is democratic country. That's why not only me, lechot kali everyone likes him. Pinang anak Karbi aratum Alangli Phan kedog ning Chingsam ke support atundo. Right now he is not a member of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, not CEM, not MEC, not EM. He is Mr. Ni amen and idesta pinang antum mathaji lapen ke chini ji. Athi Alangli khei lapen longri Phan ching hon pi. Lake Mr. Antong inti kathar. He is just spokesperson in APHRC political party. But pinang an Karbi aratum Alangli Phan Chingsam bang dopik. Athi Alangli khei Phan chesong pik lapen ke longri Phan chesong pi. Even after he lost the MAC election, he still fight and raise his voice for the Karbi community. Alang election rem that up his tame alang linon puta kachesong na thu ington te lapen ke OA. Lapen ke alang corruption ning dog de. Athe he knows corruption pena jok molong ri kisung phoji. Corruption pena jok mo iprang khei kisung phodeji puya jok. Lapen ke isi alang Phan ning ke dog damang ke thorom pen alang politics pathui e. Because he know India is democratic country.
Dhormo Phan resim ke enlo pulotang te lake jung Phan kalilo donatum lake. Lake khei Phan si ropo lake.
Lasi kadokave Karbi khai tum same ning chibinanji. Thorom pe na jok chiputot tidenan ji kadokave ta. Athe Indian Constitution Fundamental Rights Article 25 ng sitoktan malo freedom of religion. Nang ke Christian nang ke Honghari nang ke Lokhimon lahat chipupidenan ji kadokave ta. Ajara thorom le rimsta like angtong inti kathar. We should respect every religion. Thorom pe na jok politics pathu idundang ne. Kadokave thorom phanta respect ki pinangsot. Lapen ke ako angtong inti kathar Phan ning ke dog bang ke he behave very well. Alang kadokave phanta chepebihek pik. Usuma pen chenglok ke thegi ding srapisa rupa anta manpen PO. Lapen ke isi ning ke dog nam apon bang ke ruling party BJP tum jong si kopine claim chok chedet plutang te kapreg leader tum ase chepathe dun Phan kom. Konta angtong inti kathar angli ase chepathe dun Phan ington te lapen ke OA. Alang long power ave bonta alangli khei kana hok du ko ji khei kisung phodeji pojok alangli kachesong ase chepathe dunji. Alang kachesong Phan kaita OAC ajab dun thip kaita. Lasi la puson khei Phan chesong pithip dugnon plan nota khei Phan chesong pithip alida itumlong do unang jilang. Lapen jasmet angtong inti kathar Phan ning gedog namang ke alangli Karbi akhai kivirpo Karbi tribal kivirpo bang akhai tum longli nang thibom lo puchini si alangli non-tribal tumhan voter list in thanang po kachesong stame padopono ko 1 kilometer alangli akeng pelok sikidam alangli amethang ali Phan kali bonta Karbi akhai kiwil po pojoni se alangli kachesong non-tribal tumhan voter list in thanang po kachesong alangli ko 1 kilometer akeng pelok sikidam ako puthot VGR alam puthakta alangli kachesong ington unde athe alangli tumjong se chesong unde arjab dunde prutangte Karbi khai Karbilong le mantune ke veldia ji puchini pame. This is the reason Angtong Inti Kathar always my favorite leader. And not only me, everyone likes him. He wins the entire hearts of Karbi people. Lasi itum kadokave ta ansosesi ahel jume pidunang lang lapen ke support pidun tunang lang. Laso video lake Neli APHRC Phan like kiro kipidam kali only for Angtong Inti Kathar Phanchot. Lasi nanglitum nangli ning alam Angtong Inti Kathar Phan kupisi puji. Comments long than pachini pontha. Lasi pinya video ke lansi kang ton polo nali tum jong si kupinya video Neli kiwanang ji do protect tenang tum comments long than pachini ponon. Lasi pinya video ke lansi kang ton polo. Thank you so much. Bye bye Kadom.